In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Contact Us page in Google Sites. Having a dedicated contact page makes it easy for visitors to reach you with questions, requests, or feedback, and it also helps your site look more professional. Let's walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a contact page ready to customize. First, open your Google site in edit mode. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, then go to the site you want to work on. You should see the familiar Google Sites editor, with your site preview in the center and editing tools around it. Give it a moment to load fully before making changes, just to avoid any glitches. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel with different tabs such as Insert, Pages, and Themes. Click on the tab labeled Pages. This is where you manage the structure of your site, including your home page and any additional pages you create. Once you're in the Pages tab, look for the button to create a new page. It's usually shown as a plus icon or labeled New Page at the bottom of the list of existing pages. Click that button. This tells Google Sites that you want to add another section to your website. A small window will appear asking you to name your new page. Type in something clear and recognizable, like Contact Us. You can also use variations such as Contact or Get in Touch, but Contact Us is simple and widely understood. This name will usually appear in your site's navigation menu, so choose something your visitors will immediately recognize. After typing the name, click the Done button in that same window. As soon as you do this, Google Sites will create the new page for you. You'll see it appear in the list of pages on the right, and it will also show up in your site's navigation bar, depending on your layout settings. Now your Contact Us page has been added, and you're ready to design it. With the new page selected, you can start adding content. Use the Insert tab to add a text box for your email address, phone number, or office location. If you'd like a more professional setup, you can insert a Google form so visitors can submit messages directly through your site. Take a moment to adjust the layout, spacing, and headings so everything is easy to read and looks consistent with the rest of your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a Contact Us page in Google Sites and started shaping it to fit your needs.